Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account with the Talkie Soulful AI application. So let's get started right away. First of all, tap on the Talkie application and open it up. And now you will directly be asked some questions. You can go ahead and set up your preference, or you can tap on the skip button and you will immediately be able to start chatting. Once you discover a little bit, you will be able to see a continue with Google button. You can go ahead and tap on this button and this will begin the sign up process. You can choose your Google account and tap on the continue as button and you will be asked to set up your further information. Enter your date of birth and tap on the confirm and sign up button and your profile will now be created. You can tap on your profile icon to choose a profile picture and also tap on the edit button alongside your name to edit your username. Then tap on the submit button and your profile edit will be submitted. And there you have it. You have now successfully signed up and created a new account with Soulful AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.